This is a body scan mindfulness meditation offered by Stephen Hick. It is an excellent starting meditation for those just beginning a mindfulness meditation practice. It can also be helpful as a nighttime meditation for falling asleep. Taking a comfortable position, whether you're on a cushion or a chair or lying on your back, it is important that you're comfortable so that you don't need to move around. In this meditation, we will be dwelling in an awareness of the body, aiming our attention to various parts of the body and simply seeing what is present in each moment. What we find is not particularly important. The practice is seeing. There's no right way or wrong way to do this. As best you can, becoming aware of each passing moment, realizing that you are already in it. The moment is already here. As we rest attention in the present moment, experience of the body, we will also notice thoughts coming up. The practice is simply to notice the thoughts with non-judgmental awareness and not trying to stop them. Accepting what you are feeling and knowing that it's okay. Noticing all the sensations, even if they're uncomfortable, and in many ways, particularly if they're uncomfortable. It is important to put out the welcome mat for all sensations and rest in open-hearted, non-reactive awareness. Beginning by bringing your awareness to the entire body, a whole body lying here or sitting here, noticing any points of contact with the chair or the bed, noticing any areas of tension in the body, and allowing them to soften or release. And bringing your attention to your breathing, not changing your breathing in any way, simply noticing that you are breathing. Experiencing the physical sensations of breathing. And directing your attention to the belly, and perhaps noticing if there are any sensations present there. If there are no sensations, that is fine too. It's not about what the sensation is, but rather about the directing of attention. And shifting the focus of your attention to the left foot, taking your awareness and moving it away from the rise and fall of the belly, down to your left foot. Being interested and curious to whatever sensations you find there. And breathing into the left foot and breathing out from the right foot. Remembering that the sensations you discover is not important. Simply feeling exactly as it is, the left foot. And even a blank is okay. Perhaps there's touch of the air on the left foot, or the touch of a sock, or the floor on the heel or the sole of the foot. Just simply sensing into whatever's present in the left foot. If you notice that your mind has wandered off somewhere with thoughts of the past or the future, Know that this is perfectly normal. This is what minds do. You can briefly note where the thoughts took you, and then gently but firmly bringing your awareness back to the sensations in your left foot. Now, moving your attention to the lower and upper left leg, the calf, the shin, the knee, the thigh. Taking your attention and moving it away from your left foot to your left leg. Being curious about the sensations present here, becoming aware of whatever is present. Even if nothing is present, that is all right. Now moving over to the right side and becoming aware of the feelings in the right foot and feeling what's present there. Just acknowledging the sensations that are there, not judging them or worrying about what the foot should feel like. Just allowing it to be exactly as it is right now. And now the right leg, the entire region of the lower and upper leg. Noticing any sensations at all, being as precise as you can about what you're experiencing and feeling, whether it might be warmth or tingling or heaviness or lightness, perhaps blood flow or whatever. Just sensing into and feeling your right leg as it is. And now becoming aware of the pelvis, the entire region of your pelvis, from one hip to the other. Aware of the buttocks in contact with the mat or the bed, the sensations of contact, of weight, perhaps heaviness, or whatever you're feeling. Exploring the deep sensations in the pelvic and hip area and the surface sensations. Being present for your experience without any judgment or commentary. And directing your attention now to the back and just experiencing whatever sensations are there. This is a region that for many of us sometimes gives us problems. There may be sensations of some intensity. And just for the moment, experiencing your back as it is. Recognizing how present you are with the sensations in this part of your body. And breathing into the back and breathing out from the back. And riding the waves of whatever sensations are present for you in this moment. And shifting the focus of your awareness to the stomach, experiencing the rising and falling of the stomach as you breathe. And just allowing your awareness to expand in the belly as you breathe. Allowing the awareness to expand from the belly to include the chest and the diaphragms. Noticing the movement of the diaphragms in the chest as you breathe in and as you breathe out. And bringing intense curiosity to this region of the body. And perhaps noticing the rhythmic beating of your heart within your chest. Experiencing your chest and your stomach as you lie here or sit here, just as it is. Focusing your attention on both hands. Becoming aware of the sensations now in the tips of your fingers and thumbs, the palm of your hand, the top of your hand, up to the wrist. Perhaps you feel a dampness or a warmth or coolness, sensing into whatever's present. Expanding the focus of your attention to the forearms, the elbows, and the upper arms. Being present for all the sensations here, regardless of discomfort or problems with one region or another, and just experiencing the area as it is. Allowing your field of awareness to now include your shoulders, the tops of the shoulders, the sides and the backs. And breathing into the shoulder area, breathing out. Perhaps as you breathe, noticing how the shoulders shift with each breath. Exploring the region without judgment or commentary. And now letting the focus of your attention move into the neck, to the back of the neck, and the spine, to the throat, and feeling the entirety of this region, experiencing what it feels like when you swallow, and when you breathe, as the air goes from the head to the chest, through the neck region. Now shifting the focus of attention to your face, another region that often stores accumulated tension. And focusing first on the jaw and the chin, and experiencing it just as it is. Becoming aware of your lips and your mouth, the teeth, the gums, your tongue, and the roof of your mouth, the back of your mouth and the throat. And just breathing with this region and the sensations of your mouth and lips and cheeks. Just feeling the sensations in your nose, perhaps feeling the breath as it passes through your nostrils. Becoming aware of your eye and the eyebrows, the space between the eyebrows, the entire region around the eyes, the eyelids. Experiencing the sensations in the side of your head, your ears, and sensing into the forehead and letting the forehead be as it is. And if you sense any emotions associated with tension in the face or feelings in the muscles of your face, becoming aware of that. And now just exploring sensation in the entirety of your face. Just letting your face be your face. And now allowing awareness to expand to the entire body. The envelope of the skin, the head, the front body, the back body, the legs, the arms. Noticing any sensations of movement, of pulsation, movement of blood or digestion. Being present with the entire body. And breathing into the entire body and breathing out with this awareness. And breathing with awareness. Being awake to the concrete experience of the body. Knowing the language of sensation in this body. And acknowledging your ability to attend to your moment-to-moment experience.